What? This is the situation you don't want to have as a professional design engineer. What are these two guys discussed right in the back is about design revisions that can happen. This is often happen to satisfy your boss or customers, and these consume too much time and money. We live in the world that we no longer to work on everything, but focusing only on important factors. Today, I will show you how one of the features in SOLIDWORKS simulation topology optimization will speed your designs and increase efficiency up to 50% by just only you. Just like in the real world of engineering, it is always difficult to satisfy the design goal in one shot. However, I will give you an example of robot design author. This is not only carrying a lot of weight, but also the robot itself has to be lighter. The new functions topology optimizations in SOLIDWORKS can possibly create the design right at the first time. Let me show you how it works in the software. So now we have the new topology study available for you to choose right in the new study. As you can see, when come to the topology trees, they have some steps to set up, but the step just like the static study. You can choose which material to work with, and they have variety kinds of categories, and you can select which types of advanced fixtures and force. Finally, the most important thing is you have to set our goals and constraints. In this case, we can select as achieve the best stiffness and weight ratios, and we can tell the software to reduce the weight by percent. We can also set the manufacturing orientations like the preserved regions of the model. So now we already mentioned run. As you can see in this result, the topology study have removed unnecessary material for this model, and we have a new geometry is proposed by software. Now this can be exported to the new parts, and there can do finally detail and validations and editing for make feasibility for manufacturing. After we get the best design, we can also do photorealistic rendering in SOLIDWORKS Visualize for marketing and sales activities. The design optimizations I have just shown is just one good example to show you how SOLIDWORKS simulations topology will help you speeding the design optimization by 50% and increasing the efficiency the design by 50% as well. These features of SOLIDWORKS simulations will not only help you to design, but to bring more customer. More customer means you need a better product visualizations to do a realistic photo rendering to lock in the customer. For more information, please contact us for free SOLIDWORKS design consultation with us today.